connected through bus topology, and the destination is 87. So when the data is passed on from the upper layers and it is being received by the data link layer, it forms the frame with the destination address as 87 and the source physical address as 10, and the trailer is added for error correction. So when this frame is transferred through the bus topology, it is being received by all computers, and when 28, which is not the correct destination, receives it, it identifies that the destination address is not 28, it drops the packet. 53 again does the same, whereas 87, when it identifies that it is its own packet destined to it, then it opens it and sends it to the upper layers for further decapsulation. So this is how the physical addresses vary. What is the use of the physical address and the logical address? Before going to that, generally, what is the format of physical address? Physical address is generally 12, represented as 12 hexadecimal digits, but the size is going to be 48 bit, that is 6 bytes, and every byte is represented by 2 hexadecimal digits separated by colons. So 07 01 colon 02 colon 01 colon 2c colon 4b is example of physical address. So when you just imagine this computer with physical address 10 forming its own data, and in network layer this is address of A, and it is P is the logical address of this computer P, which is the destination. So that is being formed, and this datagram comes as payload to data link layer, where it is added with the physical addresses. So the source address is 10, destination address is the nearest router address. So when it is sending it with 20, so it passes on from this part through the layer to the router, where the router identifies its own packet which is being sent to it. So based on that one, it opens that frame and takes up that datagram, and it identifies its proper LAN network or the route using routing protocol, and then puts the nearest hop network address. So that physical address of the next router to which it has to be hopped, so is being packed here. So the new physical addresses are put here. So the source is 99, which is the physical address of this router through this link, and the destination address is going to be 33, the physical address of this router at the receiver side. So 33 and 99, so this packet is encapsulated and it is being sent. So this frame goes on through the LAN and it is being received by this router. It is opened, and when it is opened, it identifies that the destination address is 33, so it opens, and then it identifies in the router level, in the network layer, it identifies that it is destined to a particular computer with physical address 95. So using ARP, RARP, address resolution protocol, and reverse address resolution protocols, it identifies the corresponding physical address, and it frames the packet as a frame with 95 as the destination address, which is the real physical address of the destination, and the source is 66. So from here it is being sent to this place where it is decapsulated again. The data packet goes up, and in the network layer it is destined to it, so it is being opened depending upon the logical address, which is unchanged from the starting itself, and then the data is being given to upper layers, where the segments are again reformed, and finally the message reaches P, which is the intended recipient, that is 95. So this is how we understand that the physical addresses vary, whereas the logical address does not vary.